Greetings, Mark here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually add a worksheet to Google Slide to put in Google Classroom. So let us jump on the computer and see what we can actually do. Let me bring up the classroom, right? The first thing you wanted to do, right, within this particular area, right, you wanted to do in this area, right? So we're going to bring up the browser. So while I bring up the browser now, here, right, the first thing you're going to click on Classroom. Right, so while we click on classwork now, we're going to click on the word create. So when you click on the word create, right, definitely we want to create the assignment. So click on assignment bar, right? So we actually want to put the worksheet in the slide in order to create the assignment. So first you want to come right to the word create, right? If you notice it's a doc, slide, sheet, journal, form, but what we want to focus on right here is the slide. So when you click on the slide, you notice it's a creating Google slide. Alright, you notice you open the slide completely. Yes, completely. So while the slide actually open, what you will see some different stuff, right? So what I wanted to do now, right? If you notice this slide, there's a click to add title, click to add subtitle, right? If you notice over here, to show you on one slide, up here show you untitled, show you edit, file edit, view, insert, slide arrange, tools, and add in, right? That. Right, so we're going to look at and see how best we can actually upload. Right, so what I want to do, I want to get rid of this first. So I can put the cursor right here, so hold on left side of the mouse and drag down like that. And then to highlight everything, and then press the backspace, and there you go. All right, there are 3 ways in which you can actually upload it, right? But I'm only going to recommend one way, right? First way, when you click on insert, go right here to where's the image, and then go across here right here to upload, and click, and that what you will see, you will see a window, right? So this is set for the worksheet. So you can click on the worksheet, and you go all the way here and click on open, right? What will happen that now this will show you the worksheet on the slide. So you can come right here and open it. But you don't want to do this because if you do this, children can actually move like that, right? So I just want to click backspace and get rid of it. All right. I can come right here. So what is the image? This image sign. I click right here. All right. I can click on upload. Notice it's going to take me slip this back. But I want to see if this one stays same like the previous. So we're going to click on it. We'll click on open. So notice the same way it actually bring us. Right. So if that is true, we have to insert it. But the way in which you want to do it, like child cannot move it. Right, it's come right here, it's the background. And click on background, you bring up the screen there, the color, image, choose image, reset theme, add theme. Right, so I'm going to click choose image. Right, you notice, step into an area that is a upload, camera, by URL, photo, Google Drive, Google search image. What I want to click right here is browse. So when I click on the part that says browse now, right, now we take me back to the same window, right? So I'm going to click on this worksheet. I'm going to click on it open, right? And if you notice here, the worksheet when you say done. So when I click done, you notice there's nothing here for us. You have to move. Got everything already set, right? But students cannot interact with this, right? In order for students to interact with it, you have to come right at this tier, click, and there you go now. Draw the text box. Student can actually, right? So when you draw the text box, you want to type in actually. You give them a interview to put the answer. So you can say type, right, and here, right? So I'm going to copy this. See if I have to type it every minute. All right, so you want the next text box. You're going to come like this again. Alright, so you're gonna draw the next box like that. You're gonna copy and paste this same section in it. Alright, so you're gonna go back right here. You're gonna do the same thing for this one. Alright, you're gonna copy and paste in it. Alright, you're gonna do the same thing for everybody. Alright, do that. You notice it's still sure not inside of it, but something is literally. Alright, so in that case, that is when the student get this document, then you see exactly where that the answer. The only thing you have to do when you just click on it like that, and then click, then the box space out is and put it in answer. Right, and that's exactly how it goes. And don't forget that up here, so right, you put in the name, right, of the thing that you're actually giving the student. Right here, you press enter. Right. So when you finish with this, you're gonna tell it, you can close this here. Right, and you notice this is right here. Right? But if you send it like this, it means that student can only view it but they can't interact with it. You want to come right at this point here. Right? You notice the student can view file and the student can edit file, like make a copy for everybody. But if you have this, the student can only view but they cannot make an adjustment. Right? If it on this one, everybody will mark on the one in their page. Right? So what you first thing for you to do is click on this one. So each student have their own copy. That's right. That's the original copy now. You have a WordPad stuff on it. Right? So it's very important that you know. If from this angle, yes, that you can actually. I hope you have learned something from that.